Hey there, it's Waylon Corkle, your friendly mortgage loan officer. Just wanted to do a video today for you, kind of talking about some of the educational things we've been talking about lately. But the topic today is what not to do during the mortgage process. So there's a few things that I got here for you. It's really to make your life easier through the mortgage process and hopefully simplify it for you. But the first thing I want to talk about is you do not want to quit your job. So that seems very commonplace, but unfortunately, there are times where maybe somebody had decided they wanted to switch jobs right before closing or what have you. And that does create a little bit of a problem because they've already verified your income. They've already kind of got everything approved through your current process or your current job. And so when it comes time to close, they will verify that employment. So if they verify that employment and you're no longer working there, it will cause a little bit of a hiccup in your mortgage application. So to make it easier on you, you certainly want to have that conversation with your mortgage lender if you are looking to switch jobs. Even if you are going from one position to another within your company, be open and honest with your mortgage loan officer, and they could certainly help walk you through that because we just want to make sure that you are still full time, that the income is correct in case you're on an income guideline product. So there's a few different things that can affect. So I would just be open and honest with any job changes. And once again, please don't quit your job right before closing because that could obviously throw a hiccup in there for you. So also, the other thing that you don't want to do is you do not want to move money around. Sometimes it can seem very simple to transfer from one account to another, but the challenge is there is now you have to provide a paper trail of that. So it just creates some additional documentation from you, which I know is not fun, especially when you're in the process of packing up your house or moving into the new house, that type of thing. So we really want to simplify that for you. So if rather than moving money around, I would just keep the money in those accounts. We'll verify those bank statements and kind of go from there and make it easier for you. So the other thing that you do not want to do is you do not want to apply for new debt. It seems pretty often, we get these offers for 0% financing if we're buying furniture or appliances or whatever it may be. And it is great when you can get 0% interest because it's basically free money. But the challenge with it is that when you apply for new furniture or what have you, it could affect your credit score. And so with affecting your credit score, it could affect your interest rate, could affect the loan program. So there's a ripple effect to that. The other thing is we have to include that debt into your debt to income ratio. So if we have you at a certain spot for whatever loan program it is, it could change things and could affect that approval. So in order to make your life easier, I would say do not apply for any new debt. And the last thing that you don't want to do and that you want to avoid is missing any payments. If you miss any payments prior to closing, even if it's a small payment, it could affect your credit score. With affecting your credit score, like I've said, with some of the other things, it can affect the loan program, interest rate, and things like that. So just to make your life easier, I'd say if you avoid these, it'll be great. There's always a ripple effect to every decision that we make, and one of the decisions within mortgage is these guidelines that we have to abide by. And if you just do a simple change, it could affect that loan program. So first and foremost, just have open communication with your mortgage professional, and they will help walk you through the process. This is what they do day in and day out, and they would be happy to know about it up front to be able to help navigate that for you. So if you have any questions or anything I can help you out with, don't hesitate to call me at my cell, 605 360 6966. Thanks and have a great day.